There's been a lot we've had to figure out in terms of transportation to Val di Sole, but luckily Taj and I have at least figured it out. Oh boy, here we go.
Look at that freaking head. It's been a good week off of riding in Slovenia, but we start making our way to Val di Sole today, so the traveling circus continues. Since we had a week off and all we're doing today is just driving, last week we did get to go to the Unior Tools facility and see how the tools are manufactured and all sorts of cool stuff. So we figured we'd share some of that footage, and then the rest of the week we'll continue with racing in Val di Sole. If you could just tell me, like, pretend I don't know anything about Unior, okay. Like, what is Unior?
Oh fuck, give me a second. So, Unior, the word Unior stands for Universal Tools. So we started with some basic farming tools, and now we grow into a big global company, and we're producing over 5,000 different hand tools. Among those, we have a huge selection of bike tools that any rider or mechanic or professional mechanic can use to make his job working on bikes easier. Our slogan is made for work. That means that our tools are meant and built and designed for a way to make your job easier, to make your job faster and safer. What we do to back this statement up is that we source our raw material locally. We also have our own steel company, so we can control the materials, and then our own production enable us to control the whole process of building and producing tools. That way we can ensure the quality and have the control over the whole process. Bike Tools division is 12 years old now, and since the early stages we've been supporting actually owning our own factory racing team. We race in downhill world cups and also cross country, and yeah, we're gonna continue to support racing and give back to the local scene that help us grow, as well as many other teams and clubs locally.
Enjoy the riding.
Have a good riding.
Bye.
See ya. How's the tour, Pete?
I like that tour. That was really good.
Yeah.
Learned lots. Learned
lots.
Learned lots.
It actually was really cool. I've been around that kind of stuff for a long time, but seeing it on that scale and like those massive hammers for the forgings are just insane.
What a place to work in, like tough, so hot and loud, and the guys on the forge are just like so casual, and they're standing next to like red hot metal, just casual as you like. That was pretty impressive. But yeah, it was really good, it was really interesting.
And I don't know, the cool thing was these guys are all so stoked on bikes. They all ride, they all contribute, they have their own bike club, they have their own trails. Like, Unior's paying for stuff left and right to get more bikes in Ljubljana and the area itself, so that part's always cool when they do it out of a passion.
Successfully got the entire team here to Val di Sole, and we're definitely expecting a pretty busy week since it's World Champs. There already seems to be a bunch of people here, a lot of people setting up. So as usual, we'll be back every day this week with a new video, so we'll see you tomorrow.